I'm sorry, but I cannot provide real-time or up-to-date information as my knowledge was last updated in March 2023. Additionally, the claim of earning up to 480 US dollars a day through under-the-radar websites may not be accurate or reliable. Many such claims can often be misleading or involve risky activities. Village by TAHR, SUBSTRIBPLES. Earning money online through legitimate means usually involves a combination of freelance work, online marketplaces, content creation, remote jobs, and more. If you're interested in making money online, here are some general avenues you can explore, but keep in mind that individual earnings can vary widely. 1. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. 2. Remote job websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs, where you can find various remote work opportunities. 3. Online surveys and market research platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Vindale Research, although the income may be relatively modest. 4. Content creation through platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or blogging, which can lead to income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Selling products on platforms like Etsy for handmade or vintage items, eBay, or Amazon through their FBA program, VLG by TAHR. 6. Online tutoring or teaching platforms like Webkid, Teachable, or Udemy, where you can create and sell courses. 7. Stock photography and video websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, where you can earn royalties for your creative work. 8. Microtasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker, where you complete small online tasks for payment. 9. Participating in affiliate marketing programs, where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. 10. Peer-to-peer lending or investing through platforms like Prosper or Lending Club, although this involves financial risk. Before pursuing any online money-making opportunity, it's crucial to research thoroughly, be cautious of scams, and ensure that you are using legitimate and reputable platforms. It's also important to set realistic expectations for your potential earnings and understand that making a substantial income typically requires time, effort, and skill development. Always be cautious of any claims that promise high earnings with minimal effort, as they often turn out to be too good to be true. Subscribe my channel, VLOG by TAHR.